Welcome to the video tutorial on how to install Kickstart package for the NEMO template. Kickstart package will save you a lot of time in creating a website. To install it, you need to upload it to your hosting and extract it. After extracting, you need to access your domain name to proceed with the installation. Here I am installing at my localhost.
The first step, the process will only check the basic information. We can skip and press the next button. The next step is to fill in the basic information about the database server name, username, password, and database name. Press the next button and wait for the database import to complete. In the last step, we fill in the basic information for the website name, email address, and don't forget to scroll down to enter super admin account information to log into the administrator page later. After successful installation, click Remove the Installation Directory button to finish. Thank you for watching. Comment here if you have any questions. We are always here to help you complete your website.